Ladies and gentlemen, we are here to witness the cosplay activity in 21st century literature from the Philippines and the world. But before we start, let me introduce myself in a very mindful, very demure, and very cutesy manner. I am the Oti Chapman, your singer for this afternoon's program. The character that will be portrayed by these chosen students from Greenland and Respect are the 5 characters selected from the movie Alice Through the Looking Glass. And without further ado, let us commence this presentation. The first character to be introduced is our beloved main character from the movie. Her name is Alice Dixon. She is a young girl who is both curious and imaginative, polite, well-raised, lonely, seeking connection, and eager to find order and control in the chaotic world. Alice's dress, with its simple yet distinctive design, has become a symbol of childhood innocence and imagination. Represents a time of wonder and exploration when the world is full of possibilities. Wow, very elegant indeed. Well. I think we shouldn't get ahead of ourselves. Because the next character is the most graceful, the most stagey, and the veriest of them all. She's very elegant. She's the famous oh wait, that's not what we're talking about. Sorry, I'm mistaken. Because this part is all about White Queen! The White Queen and Through the Looking Glass is a complex, fascinating character who embodies the logical and dreamlike nature of Wonderland. The color white is a prominent theme in the White Queen's character. It symbolizes purity, innocence, and perhaps even a sense of detachment from the real world.
Tomorrow, jam yesterday, but never jam today.
And of course, don't forget the most iconic and the diva who carried the whole movie itself. Her hostile personality makes her outshine those who are out of her league. Let's give out for the Red Queen! The Red Queen is a multi-faced character who embodies the bizarre and the logical nature of Wonderland. Her strictness, her obsession with rules, and her tendency to be contradictory makes her challenging and ultimately fascinating figure. Red Queen's dress serves as a powerful symbol of her authority and the chaotic nature of Wonderland. Her attire is a representation of her power, her passion, and the unpredictable world she moves. Oh my gosh, she's very mad indeed. Did they see that? Very hostile, very monotonous. Very macabre. Macabre? Wow, known in this world. We all want you to turn back, even though all we have to do is to move forward. This is immeasurable. It's time. He is a powerful and enigmatic figure, but also capable of compassion and empathy. His journey in the film challenges the traditional perception of life as a whole and unyielding force, revealing him to be a complex and ultimately sympathetic character. He wears a dark, faded suit reminiscent of a Victorian gentleman, but beneath the suit, intricate clockwork mechanisms are visible, hinting at his true nature.
Time is like a river that flows, but it is never end.
Wow, he is so powerful. Yet, we all don't want to be him. Well then, as we have seen all of our characters, please step back and relax for a short scene from the movie. Grade 11 respect, proudly present you the character of Alice through the looking glass.
It appears that my ambience became busy.
Why does no one love me? No! I know. I hate the cause everyone lied about. Should have told you. So none of this would have happened. I'm really sorry. Please. If there's a chance, please forgive me.